Today I'm going to show you a quick way to review your BIM model using ModelChecker. Imagine that you have a big Tekla model and you are about to create drawings and release the model for production. But you might have misspelled some name, there might be some wrong profiles on some parts, materials can be wrong, or you have the wrong comment on a part. You will not be able to order part. You might get the wrong profiles on ordered parts. The materials could be wrong on some parts. You will get comments from buyers and production. You will have to go back and correct all this, and that will cause delays. All of this will, of course, hurt your reputation as a Tekla guru. How do you solve this? You can, of course, use reports or manually check the model, but that will take time. It's much faster to use Tekla ModelChecker. This will give you a quick overview of the whole model. Tekla ModelChecker shows you the contents in the model based on attributes like name, profile, material, or your own custom or user-defined attributes. You can easily create filters from your selections and also text-based reports. Let me show you how to do it. So, instead of using the reports for checking your model, use Tekla ModelChecker. Start by scanning your model. Now ModelChecker will show you the different default attributes like profile, part name, or material. In the material list I can see the different materials I have in the model and also how many of each. And I can see that I have one that is wrong, still undefined. So then I click Create Filter to isolate that part, open the properties, put in the correct material and modify. Then simply click Reset to reset the filters. You can also add your own user-defined attributes by clicking the UDA button. That will open up a text file where you can put in the names of the attributes that you want to show. Simply save the text file and do a new scan. Now I can see my test comment and filter out the parts. Other functions, I can create a small report of what's shown in my list by clicking this report button. That will create a text file in the model folder under the reports catalog. You have a help button that will show you a PDF with some instructions, but you also have this quick guide that will pop up a message box showing you the basic features. There are also some additional settings, like you can run it in beginner mode, then you will get more help texts, more of these tooltips. There are some beta functions and everything is described in the user guide. ModelChecker is available on Tekla Warehouse. Download and test it. I hope you find it useful. Thank you.